What's up everybody, this is VJ from TechImaginist. I just pre-ordered my Samsung S20 Plus and S20 Ultra. While I wait for it to arrive and do my full reviews, this is a quick hands-on review and first impressions of the Samsung S20 and S20 Plus. As a first impression, it looks very regular and what you would expect from Samsung. Here's a quick rundown of the specifications. The S20 Plus has a 6.7-inch screen, while its younger sibling, the S20, has a smaller 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED screen. The screen no longer curves much to the sides, which is a surprise basically because Samsung actually brought that trend in. You can instantly notice the 120Hz screen making the interface really smooth. I'll be covering this in detail in my upcoming full review video. Subscribe to my channel to see that one. The camera module covers the back of the phone, and it's not a novelty at this point since we've seen the same design in a few other mid-range devices from Samsung. So we're gonna have to test the camera to get a real picture, pun intended, of the performance. The selfie camera is much smaller and less intrusive than last year's S10 Plus. But we are going to miss out on that depth sensor. No complaints here. And with all of that going for it, the phone is still slimmer and taller than last year's Samsung S10 Plus. Here's a quick side-by-side with the Samsung S10 Plus. The pre-order package also includes the Galaxy Buds Plus, so let me know down in the comments if you want me to review that one. Will the Samsung S20 or S20 Plus be your next phone? Let me know in the comments down below, and maybe just don't decide until you see my full review. You might want to save up a bit and get that S20 Ultra. And as always, I appreciate your support, likes, shares and comments. Keep them coming guys, and also subscribe to my channel for future videos. You could also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for life updates and behind the scenes. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.